Hi guys, so let's see what can happen tomorrow in our market. So tomorrow maybe if election poll is there, then you can expect like acha gap up market फिर होएगा ऐसा. So technically we'll see like what can happen tomorrow in the market. So tomorrow what I can feel is, as you can just see over here, there is a ascending CPR. Okay, day CPR is ascending, and if the candle opens above this point, okay, that means still you can say that the market is just willing to go up. Or else if the candle opens somewhere over here, then yes, you can say that the trend reversal can happen. That's the logic of this thing, what's that called, the day CPR logic. And tomorrow, like nothing special, basic. If the first candle is opening somewhere over here, then you can expect that if it doesn't break R1, it will go back to the CPR. And if the first candle is opening somewhere over here, the first 5-minute candle, and if it doesn't break previous day low line, it will go back to the CPR. So that's the pure logic of CPR. So I don't think like कुछ movement कुछ आएगा कल. जो भी अगर morning में कुछ gap up हो गया, then that will be the game to watch. And over here, support and resistance. Major support is at 20,182, and if it just stays above 20,391, maybe chances of reaching 2,600 या ऊपर open होता है, we don't know. अगर कुछ धमाल opening हो रहा है, then maybe you can expect around 2,600. फिर बाद में किस करके नीचे आएगा, नीचे आके ऊपर जाएगा. Likewise I feel tomorrow's scenario. And Nifty में तो ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल नहीं है, नैरो CPR है, but yeah, selling the trend can happen. So R1 के ऊपर या S1 के नीचे रहा, then only you can see the trend in the market tomorrow. And in Bank Nifty also the same logic, nothing special in the logic and all, खाली support और resistance देखना पड़ेगा. So Bank Nifty also you can say that yeah, day CPR, same logic, it is in ascending. So if the candle is opening somewhere over here, so here what happens is like if it doesn't break this point, 50% पकड़ना पहला target. 50% is your first target, and then CPR is your second target. And if the candle is opening somewhere over here, if it doesn't break this point, then 50% first target, CPR second target. That's a simple technically what we can say. Or else, अगर अच्छा gap up हुआ कल, this is your R1, this is your R2. And if the candle opens somewhere over here, अगर candle यहाँ पे open होता है around 45,300 nearby, and if it doesn't want to break like upside, सीधा नीचे घसीटेगा. So 80% CPR का लॉजिक याद रखना. 80% of time अगर R2 और R3 का 50% ब्रीच नहीं करता है, it will go to the CPR. Is it clear? It will go to the CPR. So keep an eye on that. वो एक लॉजिक है. So अगर वो लॉजिक के हिसाब से if it just market is dropping down also, this is your first target, नीचे आया तो this will be your second target, this will be your third target. So this is not your target. Okay, main goal is one step, just एक step से नीचे आएगा, and put a simple moving average 57 on CE side or PE side. वो अपने को direction बताएगा where the market goes. So यहाँ पे major support, if you ask me, 45 के ऊपर psychological figure if it opens. So opening, people are expecting a big one. मेरे को नहीं लगता कोई बहुत बड़ा opening होने वाला है. So I think everybody is waiting. Election का poll आएगा, ऊपर खोलेगा, but मेरे को नहीं लगता उतना कुछ बड़ा प्री ओपनिंग नहीं मारेगा, because our market is a crazy market ना. So tomorrow अगर 45 के ऊपर आया, then yes, it will be a psychological figure. ऊपर मारा तो 45,500. So we don't know exactly 9-7 कल मालूम पड़ेगा. So this was a technically what can happen tomorrow in the market. Shankically what I feel, maybe the chances are there. ऊपर ओपन के बाद पहला red candle. First will be a red candle, then like U shape मारेगा एक. फिर उसके बाद ऐसा थोड़ा नीचे ऐसा जाएगा, फिर ऐसा आएगा. So tomorrow what I'm expecting in the market is UV raise pattern. Not expecting a good, but okay वाला gap down होगा, gap up होगा अगर हुआ तो. And the first candle will pull it down. So UV raise pattern is what I'm expecting tomorrow in the market. So don't blindly follow this, Go with the logic. झेल बार देखो, bulb and arrow देखो, one day में bulb आया है, so bulb and arrow देखो, is there any resistance, monthly CPR देखो, weekly CPR देखो, and then only blindly follow it. नहीं तो like हवे में मेरा भक्त मत बना, अंध भक्त बन के don't trade. हाँ पहले open होएगा buy a P, like that. Don't go in that logic. See the jail bar. If it's a good gap up, and if it's a good gap up tomorrow, if it's a good gap up, remember that. Normally what happens if it's a good gap up or a gap down, बड़ा gap up या gap down होगा तो समझना कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, खाली शैंकी के सत्संग में आने का, प्रवचन सुन के जाने का. इज इट क्लियर? So that's all for the days, guys. So meet up tomorrow at 9-7 Monday. December has started. So winter is coming. One more thing I have to just clear you. After December 15 to Jan 2nd week, there won't be any movement in the market. After my Goa seminar, only the movement can happen. So be aware of that and don't cry. And remove all your capital. December 10 या 15 के बाद trade with one lot. Yeah, do paper trade and be happy. Yeah, काजू आया तो मिलेगा छोटा. Like just don't go with a huge quantity size. That's what I can do. So that's all for the days, guys. And do comment and let me know if any issues are there so that I can just make a video on that. Bye, guys. See you. And let's see tomorrow 9-7 क्या बोलता है अपना बाजार. Bye. See you guys.